Okay, this is the AC electrical programs panel, the AC panel for the West Virginia State Underground Coal Mining Test. These are the practice panels, and the AC has 11 problems. Feel free to pause the video anywhere. This corresponds with the other electrical AC panel video in this playlist. The panels in these pictures that you're going to see are the panels at Coronado and the panels at the Running Right States Academy. This is a guide. Of course, things may be different. They may have things mounted backwards or upside down in some of the pictures compared to the one you're testing on or the one you're practicing on. You'll have to just pay attention and get an idea of how things are supposed to be. Okay, as you see here, the first 5 problems are fuses, and you'll be able to read them here in just a second, but the red dots and the arrows indicate where you can read the fuses. You just read straight across the fuses until if they're blown or not, by if you have continuity with your own meter. Okay, this is problem number 6 on my paperwork. In the AC video, you'll see that he calls it number 7. That's not the important part. It's the actual problem over to the right of the numbers. But you're just checking the A and B relay switches because they are shorted around. You could also write down, like in the video, he says the start switch is shorted or bypassed. Um, but if you watch your meter, once the problem is put in or out with the switch, you will see the resistance raise or lower. Were not able to get the tone with the meter. You just had to watch the resistance. Okay, the number 7, I am moving kind of quick. Remember, you can pause at any time if you need to look at these things closer. But between the stop and start switch down to the A relay, there's a broke wire. And you're just going to check continuity from the start switch on the line side down to the line side of the A relay. Okay, on problem number 8, you have a broken wire between the start switch and the line side of a coil or contactor. A contactor, as you'll see on the bottom arrow, that's the input of a contactor, and the output or the load side of the start switch. Okay, problem number 9 is a broken wire after the B contactor. It can be checked from number 1 to number 2, the bottom of the timed relay coil, or alternately number 3, the negative side, the negative fuse. I am not familiar with the state's TR relay. The relay on the left that I'm going to enlarge, the top 2 are the timed portion. The bottom is the coil. The input and output are top to bottom on both. Okay, problem number 10. Coming off the B contactor here is one probe, and it could go anywhere on this right side and goes over to the top of the TR relay or to the start switch, option 1 or 2. Any of this is connected. It could even go to the top of the relay, the TR relay coil. Problem number 11 is a broken wire between your overloads and the number 5 fuse, the neutral side, neutral negative fuse. Anywhere from the A or B contactors to the TR coil to the fuse would read a straight wire if it's not broke, if it's not problem number 11. I hope this has helped everybody that's studying this, and I hope I've got the arrows and the placement of everything close enough so that you can figure it out in your practice. Like I said before, things change. This may be different. I might be wrong, so double check, make sure you're right. and learn the problems. That's a big key to a lot of them.